Welcome back to the channel. Why does my car make rattling noise? So guys, a common cause is a loose heat shield or exhaust part vibrating against the car body. So first is engine area. So low oil, worn timing chain, or loose engine components can create rattling, especially when accelerating. Now, another thing is inside the car. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose item in the glove box, trunk, or doors making noise while driving. Now, guys, if you rattle at idle, often it will be engine related. If you rattle when driving, it means maybe a suspension or exhaust. But if you rattle when braking, likely the brake hardware. So guys, if you hear persistent rattling, get it checked quickly because ignoring it could lead to expensive damage or safety risk. So just simply call for a professional help.